how to say this enough. I'm a proud Nigerian. And thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for making. Thank you for making it look amazing. And thank you, Mr. President. We heard of the gift. Thank you very much. It's a good day to be a Nigerian. I don't know for now. Now only this country I get. Now only this country I get. And somehow, we're Nigerians, we hope against hope that it will work. And it will work. We're all that we have. No matter where this life takes us, this is home. Here we stand as a people with one song and one voice. We're a nation undivided and poised. We will take a stand and build our land in faith to defend what is ours. Here we are as a people with one heart and for one cause. We're determined to rebuild and restore. Where freedom rights at the roots prevails our land, where there's hope for us all. Said our land, where there's hope for you and I. We'll defend our land. We believe in this nation, and we know we'll get there. We'll defend our land. We believe in Nigeria and the promise she holds, and that one day we'll shine like the sun. We're a great nation. If you are true Nigerians, put your hands up. So we are many people, different tribes and different tongues. We're united in a certain resolve to uphold the and our land, and for generations to come. Said, and for generations to come. And we know we'll get there. We'll defend If your hands are not too busy, put them together for these amazing ladies. We are all with the faith. So we believe in this nation. Yeah, we are all we have with the faith. We believe in Nigeria and the promise she holds, and that one day we will shine like the sun. Yeah, with the faith, our land. We believe in Nigeria, and we'll know we'll get there someday. We are all we have with the faith. We believe in Nigeria and the promise she holds, and that one day we will shine like the sun. Every Nigerian hear this. What a great nation. Capo. God bless you guys. Hold the